In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into ActiveCampaign from a CSV file. Importing contacts is a vital task when managing email lists and keeping your audience up to date. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Head over to activecampaign.com and enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Contacts. This will take you to the page where you can manage all of your current contacts. Once you're on the Contacts page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see an Import button. Give that a click. This button is your gateway to bringing in your new list of contacts from a CSV file. Now, it's time to upload your CSV file. Select Import from File, and then locate the CSV file on your computer. It's crucial that your CSV file includes headers such as first name, last name, email address, and optionally phone number or tags. This ensures that the data maps correctly when it's brought into ActiveCampaign. After you've selected your file, ActiveCampaign will show you a preview. This is where you map your CSV columns to the corresponding ActiveCampaign fields. For instance, make sure that the first name column from your CSV aligns with the first name field in ActiveCampaign, and do the same for email and any other columns you might have. If there is a custom field you need, like city or source, simply click Add New Field and give it a name. Next, you'll choose which list you want these contacts to be added to. This could be something like newsletter subscribers or clients. Additionally, you can add a tag to all the imported contacts. This could be something like imported ACC 2025 to keep track of when this import occurred. Before you confirm the import, you'll see some import options. If you're updating information for existing contacts, select the option for Update Existing Contacts while importing. If you need to bring in unsubscribed contacts as well, there's an option for that, but only select it if it fits your needs. When you're ready, hit Import Now. You'll see a progress bar as ActiveCampaign uploads and processes your contacts. Once the import is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating the number of contacts successfully imported. It's always delightful to see that. Finally, to verify that the import went smoothly, go back to the Contacts section. You can use the search or filter feature to check your new list. Make sure that the names, emails, and any tags have been correctly assigned, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported contacts into ActiveCampaign from a CSV file. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.